2025, we are taking content creation seriously, and we don't want to see your videos looking dark and everything. Hey stars, welcome back to the channel. It's Somto here, and if this is your first time coming across my channel, hey boo, you are in luck, because today I'm in the spirit of taking content creation seriously. This year I have purchased a LED light. Yeah, I've been using my ring light for years now, and trust me, this ring light has suffered in my hands. Like, my keys have already ruined my ring light, and I promised myself that I wasn't gonna get another ring light. This is my second ring light, so I said I was not going to get another ring light, because I saw some of your content creators here saying that ring light doesn't really do the trick. So I decided that I'm going to get the LED light, and I finally got it. Da-da-da-da. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. It also came with this. It's actually two. It's a 2-for-1, okay? And you guys, let me tell you, I got this for a very good amount of money. Like, I've been seeing a lot of people selling it, and when I asked them, the first vendor I asked told me that it is sold for 60,000 sefa, not naira. I waited for a couple of months, and then I asked another vendor. The vendor told me 45,000. I said, okay, let me wait, because I don't have the amount right now. So the more it's coming into the market, the more the price is coming down, right? So I asked another vendor recently. The vendor told me 30,000 instead of 35,000. I said, okay, it is coming down, I'm gonna wait a little more. So 2 weeks later, I asked another vendor, and the vendor told me 26,000. Immediately the vendor told me 26,000 sefa. I knew that I have to get it. So I chatted the vendor up, and I asked him if he was going to sell for 25,000 sefa, and he said yes. Oh my god, I had to rush and buy it. And the other vendor told me 30,000 for 600, and this is the 800. This is 800, the LED 800. The other vendor told me 30,000. So I was like, how can you sell 600 for 30,000 while another vendor is out here selling the LED 800 for 26,000? I was like, make it make sense. So I just decided to patronize this vendor, and I'm so happy. So let's unbox this together. Let's open it together. I feel like we should open this one first. So this is the tripod that it came with, and I'm so happy because this tripod alone, it has this something on there that you can even use it. You can connect your phone with this tripod just by it. If you don't want to use the light, you can just put that small thingy and then use a phone holder to connect your cell phone right here. Like, I love this so much because it's actually so strong. It's stronger than all the other ones that came with my ring lights. This one is actually so strong. This one is stronger, and here is thicker. It's new. It's just something new, and it's very strong. But when the delivery man brought it to me, I told him to open it. That's one thing with buying something in Mali here. If you buy something, you will not pay. The person will come on, and the person will unbox it, and you will make sure that everything is intact before you pay the money. So it's not like in Nigeria where you will send money first before they bring the product. Here they will bring the product to you. Like my wig, this wig I'm wearing right now, when the vendors delivered it to me, I opened it and I saw that was what I ordered before I actually paid. So this is so nice. I will put a clip of it right here or here. I'll put a clip of when the delivery man was unboxing it for me. It's very long. It's longer than the ones that came with my ring light. It's actually longer than those. And now to the main order of the day, which is our LED light. I'm so excited, guys. This 2025, we are not taking it up a notch. Abi, is that how they say it? Now to open this up, let's see. I've actually forgotten how we opened it up the other day. So let me just figure it out. Okay. Oh gosh, it's falling apart. All right. Okay. This is it. This is it, you guys. You can see. This is everything that comes in the box. Now I'm gonna take it one after the other. Let's okay, this is it. Yeah, that's the one I was saying that I can actually film with this one. Just put it on the tripod, and then use a phone, put a phone holder here and connect my phone and just film. Maybe outdoor, I'll just film just like that. This is the kit, and it came with batteries. This is battery, this is the battery. Oh my god, ignore my fingers. This is the battery, 2 batteries actually. Here is battery. The light is you can use it with the battery, or you can just plug it to electricity and use it. So here it came with 2 batteries, and this is the charger. This is the adapter for the batteries. Like when the batteries run out, you can charge it with this. This is with this. The delivery man, he actually did a good job explaining everything to me. And to the main order of business, here is, let me open it and bring it out of the nylon so that you can see. So here is the light. It's actually quite big. It's not small, like I've seen some smaller ones. Here is it, and you just open it right like this, and just like this, and then it reveals this beautiful thing. Over here at the back, it has the you want to increase or decrease the light. Here is for the color. If you want white light, gold light, this is it. Here is it. Here. So here I'm going to test it out. I'm just going to take, I think I'll put 1 battery. I don't know if I should put the 2 batteries before it can work, but let me just put 1. I think that the delivery man actually used only 1 battery to test it out for me the other day. Let me see. Let me just figure out how to do this. I haven't used this before. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know, you guys. Somebody help. Okay. It's not working. I think you have to put the 2 batteries before it will work. Alright. Okay. Yeah. I put in the 2 batteries. Let me just see. Here is the power switch. So you can turn it on. Oh my god, it's so bright. It's really bright. It's so bright. Like you can increase it, decrease, increase, decrease. That's the button that I was saying earlier. Here you can increase it, decrease it, increase, and over here you can change the temperature to white, gold, any color of light that you want. Like, yeah, this is it. This is so beautiful. It makes such a difference already. Like, can you see? It makes such a difference to my videos already. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, I have fixed the light. It's over here. It's right here. My ring light is still over here, and plus this back light that I have above here, just to illuminate that side. It's so beautiful. I think I finally got my filming set up. I think I finally got it. This light is everything. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, just look at me. Look. Oh god, this light is a game changer. Like, if you have the money, please run and don't walk. Run and get this LED light. You can get the 600. I have the 800 right now, and there is the 900 too. So anyone that you can afford, even if it's the 600, please hurry and get it, because trust me, you're not going to regret it. Okay, this 2025, we are taking content creation seriously, and we don't want to see your videos looking dark and everything. Okay, if you can't afford it, it's okay. You can use the sunlight like I used sunlight for years. If I even got a ring light, then now this is a major upgrade for me getting this light. So yeah, I hope that you find this video very helpful, and do not forget, I am Somto Starr. You can call me Star for short. As always, I love you guys so very much. Please, if you haven't, click on this subscribe button to join our amazing family, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Okay. I love you guys very much, and until my next one, I will see you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye, stars.